Hi, I'm Raquel. I'm gonna show you how to do my makeup. Put your hair up first. Open up the mirror. 3-sided mirrors are best. Make sure you have a nice clean face, your makeup bag, and starting off with something with a G. Get a whole lot of it on there. And we are gonna begin by blending the eye to the cheek. Eye to cheek, yes. Go on to the other eye. Make sure you blend it in real good. Perfect, seamless. And moving on to blush. Got some, what is that, cloud paint from Glossier. Shake it up a little bit. Careful, don't get it everywhere. It stains. Make sure you apply it while smiling. It must be applied while smiling. Dab it in real good, blend it in, that way you don't look like a clown. Moving on to the eyebrows. Just giving them a light brush. Eyelashes too. Pulling them back. Darken those puppies up. Turning them into caterpillars. And more brushing. On to more brushing. Boy brow. Really darkening them up now. Yep, more brushing. Gotta blend them in. And cleaning up the edges with a good old Q-tip. Alright. Not bad. Moving on. I don't know what that is. Something cool. And some eyelid shine. Eyebrow shine, actually. And a nice line down the face. A little extra shimmer there. Some on the lip. And we blend that in too. Just a lot of blending. Make sure you blend it in good. Looking good. What are we doing here? Alright, a little bottom of the eyelid contouring. Is that what they call it these days? I don't know. Fantastic. Alright, moving on to the other eye. More shine, more shimmer. Don't know what that is, but we're going to apply it to the upper eyelashes. And downward stroke. Upward stroke. Alright, and the bottom lashes. Get it next. Next eye, same thing. Upward stroke. Oh, no downward strokes. Cleaning it up and blending it in with the Q-tip again. The trusty Q-tip. Alright. And the bottom lashes, get a little extra treatment there. And to top it all off, we add some lip balm. Some moisturization. And that's going to finish it up. Let the hair down, shake it out. Shabam. We are complete. That is a face of makeup you are seeing right there. I am done. That was fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Wow.
Can you turn that down in the background? Alright, so I did not film an outro, but I am doing it now. It is like, honestly, a couple days later. I filmed that probably like a week ago. We are hanging out watching Hey Arnold and drinking coffee because that's what we usually do on weekends. Don't make fun of me, Nick. God. So I want you guys to meet my boyfriend, the voice behind the voiceover. This is Nicholas.
Hi.
That's all we're gonna get from him. We are having our second cup of coffee. We had our first cup of coffee in bed, and then we came out here in the living room. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We walked a mile yesterday.
We walked 2 miles yesterday.
Walked 2 miles yesterday. Went to like Marcy.
All the way to almost the Williamsburg Bridge.
We almost walked to the Williamsburg Bridge. It felt good. That was some really good exercise. I just woke up. I washed my face for the sake of this video, but I look really bad right now. This video was funny. I saw a lot of people boyfriends doing the makeup tutorial, and I just thought it was really funny. I like hearing Nick and what he says when I do my makeup, because they're pretty clueless. Sorry this is such a short video. That's like such a basic routine. This is like a basic like natural makeup routine. I'll put this on when I'm like just going out for like brunch or something. If I'm going out at night or something, I'm probably gonna put on like a lip color, put on like more makeup, like an actual foundation. Glossier actually has really good natural makeup products, so it goes more with my flow, I guess. It's just really fast. It doesn't take me that long to do my makeup because I don't put that much on. So this video is gonna be short because of that. Anyways, I'm glad you got to meet my boyfriend, Nick, for a quick second. He's really sweet. I really love him. He's sitting right here. I am going to head out now. We're gonna finish up Hey Arnold and who knows with the rest of our day. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos and let me know what you guys like want to see. If you want to see more like this or more like my other videos. Check out my Instagram. I do post a lot there. I put a lot in my story, usually every day, even if it is like nonsense. You can follow me there and keep in touch with me more there. That is it. I guess I will talk to you guys next Sunday.
Potential workout.
Potential workout. Did you say that?
Yeah, like